Vandeham Sri Guru.
The following is an arrival address given by His Divine Grace, A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada, recorded on the 18th of May 1972 in Los Angeles, California.
Sri Rupam Chakrajatam Sahagana Raghunathanvitam Tvam Sajivam. So, my dear boys and girls, about 6 years ago, I came to your country single-handed with these pair of symbols. Now, you are so many chanting Hare Krishna. That is my success. It was the prediction of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, পৃথিবীতে আছে যত নগরাদি গ্রাম সর্বত্র প্রচার হইবে মোর নাম. Lord Chaitanya desired that in all the towns, in as many towns and villages as they are on the surface of the globe, my name will be broadcast. He is Krishna himself, Swayam Krishna, Krishna Chaitanya Namne, simply changing his name as Krishna Chaitanya. So, his prediction will never go in vain. That's a fact. So, my plan was that I shall go to America. America is the leading country of the world. If I can convince the younger generation of America, they will take up. I am an old man. I came here at the age of 70 years. Now I am 76. So, my warning is already there. In 1971, I had a severe heart attack, you know all. So, the mission of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is now in your hand. You are American boys and girls, very intelligent and graced by Krishna. You are not poverty-stricken, You have enough resources, prestige, everything materially. You are all well equipped. If you kindly take this Krishna consciousness movement seriously, your country will be saved and the whole world will be saved. The present human civilization is not in right order. I was coming here and I was seeing one film, cinema, The Boyfriend. Of course, young boy, young girl, making friendship, enjoying life, that is not condemned. Actually, that is life. Radha and Krishna is young boy and young girl. Radha Krishna pranaya brikiti alladini shakti asma ekatmanavapi deha bhedo gato to chaitanyakha prakata madhuna taddayam chaikamaptam Radha bhava duti subalitam namami Krishna sarupam. This young boy and young girl trying to unite for happiness is the natural inclination of the living entity. It is there in the Supreme Personality of Godhead. In the Vedanta Sutra, it is said, Janmadasya jataha. Everything that we see in this material world is there in the spiritual world. Janmadasya jataha, where from everything is coming. The original source of this love is there in the Absolute. Radha Krishna Pranaya Brikiti. It is the manifestation of the pleasure potency of the Supreme Personality of Godhead. So, the thing as it is originally is perfect. But here, the same thing is only perverted reflection. Here the boys and the girls meeting, because it is simply a reflection, just like a reflection of the tree on the river, it is just topsy-turvy. Similarly, that reflection reality, Radha Krishna love, is topsy-turvy here. So our Krishna consciousness movement is very scientific, factual, authorized. Simply intelligent person can understand it. Every human being has got intelligence better than the animals. If he simply tries to understand what is this Krishna consciousness movement, his human life will be perfect. Here we are trying to enjoy, but we do not know that next life, next chapter may stop everything at any moment. Don't think because you are American, you have got material opulences, very comfortable life, cars, roads, buildings, that's all right. But any moment you will be kicked out, and it may be that we will have to accept another body which is not at all American. It may be the body of a tree or a cat or a dog. That science you must know. Don't be enamored by the flickering happiness. This happiness is there, which is factual. This Radha Krishna, you see, Radha Krishna, Krishna how he is jolly, with his cows, with his flute, with his comrades, with his boyfriend, girlfriend, how he is happy. Chintamani prakara sadamasu kalpa brikkha lakhabriti susurabhir vipalayan Lakshmi sahasra sata samrama sevvamanam Govindamadi purisam tamaham. Here you are trying to enjoy the company of young girls, but Krishna is also doing that in the spiritual world. Sahasra sata samrama. Lakshmi, each girl there is a goddess of fortune. Not only one, but many hundreds and thousands. They are with great respect and reverence trying to serve Krishna. Lakshmi sahasra sata samrama sevvaman. So you can also enter in the company of Krishna as Krishna's friend, as Krishna's servant, as Krishna's consort, as Krishna's father, anything. Everything. Here also there are 5 relationships. relationship between master and the servant, relationship between friend and friend, relationship between father and son, and relationship between boyfriend and girlfriend. All these relationships are emanating from Krishna. Akhila Rasamrita Sindhu, the ocean of all pleasure. And Krishna comes himself to give you this message. Krishna appeared 5,000 years ago on this planet and at Vrindavan. He exhibited his real pastimes in the spiritual world. So, just to give practical demonstration and to invite you there. Krishna canvassing, Sarva Dharman Parityajya Mamekam Saranam Braja. So, we have got this message from Krishna, from Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, from the 6 Goswamis, later on Bhaktivinoda Thakur, Bhakti Siddhanta Thakur, and we are trying our bit also to distribute this knowledge. Now, 10th, 11th, 12th. My Guru Maharaj is 10th, from Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, I am 11th, you are the 12th. So distribute this knowledge. People are suffering. They are simply fighting on some false thing. Maya. They should be given the real facts of happiness. We have spoiled our life, many lives, coming through the evolutionary process of 8,400,000 species of life. Here is an opportunity, human form of life. And here is the message of Lord Chaitanya, Krishna. The human form of life can understand, and especially in America, you can understand. You have got better intelligence, better facility. We are not sentimental, simply chanting and dancing. We have got more than 2,000 volumes of books. If you want to learn it through science, philosophy, it is also there. Otherwise, the simple method, simply chant Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram. And you realize the whole thing. The child can take part, the philosopher can take part, the scientist can take part, the politician can take part, the religionist can take part, the public can take part. It is so universal. And it is open. There is no secret. It is not that I shall give you some secret mantra and give me some money, I go out. It is open. So, I especially appeal to the Americans whose boys and girls are helping me so much. Please take this philosophy. Try to understand this philosophy. Make your life successful. Your country and the whole world. You are helping other parts of the world who are not very much developed with money, with resources. That's a very good idea. But in your country, you do not see how the younger generation are going astray, how they are baffled and confused. You should take care of this. The flower of your country, they are becoming hopeless, confused. Try to save them. And this is the only remedy, Krishna consciousness, that can save your country and the whole world. Thank you very much.